Welcome back to the Learn DAX in 2 minute series. This is day 8 and today we will learn about a very common question in Power BI. What is the difference between calculated columns and measures? Let's start with a simple example. Suppose in our data set we want to calculate profit for each product. First go to table tools and click on new column. Now type profit equals to select sales column minus cost column. Press enter. Now this creates a calculated column. It adds a new column in the sales table and profit is stored for every row. So calculated columns perform row by row DAX calculations. These are stored in the data model and consume memory. These are helpful for categorization and slicing. Now instead of a column, let's create a measure. So in the table tools, click on new measure, type total profit equals to sum of total sales. So select sales column minus sum of total cost. So select cost column. Press enter and it will create a measure in the sales table. Measures perform aggregations and these are not stored for each row. They are calculated on the fly at query time based on the current report context. It uses no memory but consumes CPU power. These are best for dynamic aggregated values like total sales or total profit or total cost. So these are the key difference between calculated columns and measures. In next video, we will do few more hands-on exercise on calculated columns as this is one of the important topic. Stay tuned.